Hi, Intro to Web. It is Friday, October 2nd, and here's what you need to work on today. So once you go into Unit 2, HTML Basics, the language of the web, scroll down to 2.6, and it's an assignment called Search Engines Website. Once you're in there, you will find there is a document for you to look at, which is all the detailed instructions of the process, as well as the submit doc to submit, of course, in Schoology when you are done, and type the word done in, and then that way I know I need to grade your project. And again, this is going to be a project done in AWS and Cloud9, and the link that I just selected right here gives you your instructions. This is very much like your first website that you've already done. If for some reason you have not completed that, that is your next step before you skip to this one. Make sure that your My First Website is completed and submitted before moving on to this project. This one is identical, however, it's wanting you to do steps, all the steps in one stop. So again, there are all the written instructions here. If you have not completed My First Website, you need to go do that next, because otherwise these instructions will be might be a little confusing to you. So again, this is going to be due it is going to be due Monday, October 5th. I'm going to give you the weekend to work on it in case you do get tripped up. So if you have any questions, make sure to, you can also go back to your first website to look at it for tips. Otherwise, you may email me with questions, or we can talk again on Monday. All right? So I hope everyone has a great weekend. Talk to you later.